Canadian man wanted for manslaughter believed to have fled to Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Police investigators in Canada have issued a warrant for the arrest of a man who they believe fled that country to Jamaica after his alleged involvement in a fatal shooting. 42-year-old Berris Livingston from Brampton in Canada is the man named on the warrant according to a statement issued by the Peel Regional Police. Livingston is wanted for manslaughter in connection with the fatal shooting of 38-year-old Dwayne Watson, also of a Brampton address. According to the Peel Regional Police, at about 6:30 a.m. on Sunday, April 18, Watson was at a residence in the area of Gorway Drive and Morningstar Drive in the city of Mississauga when he was fatally shot. He was later pronounced dead at the scene. After a 5-month probe, a Canada-wide warrant has been issued for Livingston, who authorities believed fled to Jamaica.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!